How often do we consider the potential growth of the battery industry in India? It's time to shed light on this dynamic sector. The current market size of India's battery industry is $7.2 billion. A pretty hefty sum, right? But hold on to your hats, because by 2029, this figure is expected to more than double, reaching a staggering $15.6 billion. And what's fueling this growth? Well, two key factors. First, the increased use of batteries in automobiles, particularly electric vehicles. Second, the emphasis on manufacturing these electric vehicles right here in India. The Indian battery market is charged up and ready to go, and the future looks bright, with the valuation of India's EV battery market expected to reach $27.7 billion by 2028. Now, let's dive into the top 5 battery stocks that could supercharge your portfolio. First on our list is Exide Industries, India's largest storage battery company. Exide Industries manufactures an array of lead-acid storage batteries, with capacities ranging from 2.5 amp-hours to a whopping 2,600 amps. This powerhouse has a robust presence in over 60 countries worldwide, with a total of 10 manufacturing facilities. The company's market cap is quite impressive, and its 52-week high stock price is a testament to its strong performance. Exide Industries, a powerhouse in the battery sector, presents considerable potential for investors. Next up is Amara Raja Batteries, a significant player in automotive batteries and allied products. This innovative company was the first in India to manufacture valve-regulated lead-acid (VRL) batteries. They power a wide range of sectors, from passenger and commercial vehicles to defense and telecom. As per a December 2023 report, the company has plans to supercharge its new energy business in the next 2 to 3 years. With its aggressive growth plans, Amara Raja Batteries could be a high-voltage addition to your portfolio. The third battery stock is Eveready Industries India, a household name in the dry cell battery segment. It commands a significant market share, with its products reaching across the country, thanks to its 6 manufacturing plants and over 1,000 distribution points. With a market cap circling around 2,447 crores, Eveready has set its sights on a hefty revenue target, planning to triple its revenue in the next 4 to 5 years. With its strong market presence, Eveready Industries India could light up your investment portfolio. Our fourth battery stock is High Energy Batteries India, a provider of high-tech batteries for defense and commercial applications. Established in 1979, the company has become a trusted name in the production of batteries for the Army, Navy, and Air Force, as well as for automobile and standby VRL applications. With a market cap of around 75 crores, this company stands strong in the industry. High Energy Batteries, India's niche focus on high-tech batteries, makes it an intriguing prospect for investors. Last but not least, we have Himadri Specialty Chemicals, a pioneer in the production of lithium-ion batteries anode material. This company has a diverse range of products under its belt, from specialty carbon black to refined naphthalene, new energy material, and specialty oils. Its products find use in various sectors like lithium-ion batteries, aluminum, agrochemicals, and defense. Himadri Specialty Chemicals boasts a market cap of around 1,433 crores. But what sets it apart is its future-oriented approach. The company has plans to establish India's first commercial plant for LFP cathode active material. This ambitious project is expected to be operational within the next 27 to 36 months. Over the next 5 to 6 years, Himadri Specialty Chemicals plans to invest a total of 44,800 crores. With its innovative approach and ambitious plans, Himadri Specialty Chemicals could potentially provide a special blend of returns for investors.